Okay, so I have picked three dots. This is the first dot, a block of size 30 times 10 times 20 cm cube, blah blah. This is the second one, which will exert more pressure, 100 kg mass on 10 meter square and 50 kg mass on 4 meter square. I will also solve this one, an iron cube, blah blah. So let's start from the first. And before beginning, I would like to say, if you have any doubt related to these questions, these classes 9 to 12 competitive exams, computer, English, IELTS and TOEFL, you can just inbox your doubts. I will try to solve your doubts. And if you have any doubt related to subject-wise, physics, maths, chemistry, biotechnology, computer science, reasoning, economy, you can also send your doubt. Okay, let's solve the first question, and this is this. Okay. So in this question, first of all, read carefully. A block of size 30 times 10 times 20 cm cube. Okay, this is the size of block. It means block is cuboidal. Block is cuboidal. Find the pressure. Weight of block is 30 Newton. Okay. So this is the first number. Weight is given. Weight is 30 Newton. Everybody know that. What is the weight? Weight is just like the force exerted by earth on a particular subject. So weight is just like force. It means if the weight of any object 30 Newton, it means that object is applying 30 Newton force, thrust on earth surface. So this is force or thrust of that object. That weight is 30 Newton. Okay, so there are two parts. When the block is resting on a table top with 30 times 10 cm square and 10 times 20 cm square. So let's solve first one. In first, area is 30 into 30 times 10 cm square. When you multiply, it becomes 300 cm square. And when you have to divide cm square into meter square, just divide it by 10,000. So 300 divided by 40 after 1. It means 10,000 meter square. Okay, just assume decimal is here. Okay, and you have to come 4 digit towards left direction. So this is the 3 and 1. So the final answer is 0.0300 meter square. Okay, this is the 4 digit towards left side. Okay, you can write 0.3 meter square. Okay, so for first question, the area is 0.3 meter square. Now find the pressure for the first condition. So pressure for the first condition, pressure is equal to thrust upon area, and the thrust is already given here, 30 Newton. So write here 30 Newton upon area is 0.3 meter square, 0.3 meter square. Okay, when you remove decimal from the denominator, and if the 1 digit after decimal, then the format of this fraction will like this. So 30 times 10. So why I have written here 10? Because I just remove decimal from the denominator. So 30 times 10 upon 3 Newton per meter square. This is the old trend, and what is the latest trend? Latest trend is Newton per meter square. It is latest trend. Now you can cut 30 by 3 10 times. Then final answer is 100 Newton per meter square, and Newton per meter square also known as Pascal. So the answer for the first question is 100 Pascal. So using this same method you can find the answer for the second one, where the resting on the tabletop is 10 times 20 cm square. So I also solve this question here very fast forward. So how you can solve this one? So for second, area is 10 times 20 cm square. It means 200 cm square. When you divide into meter, okay, then it becomes 0.2. How? Because I divided it by 10,000. Now find the pressure. You know, pressure is equal to thrust upon area. So thrust is how much? 30 Newton. Okay, 30 Newton upon 0.2 meter square. Okay, so it can be written as 30. I hope you are getting what I am writing fast forward, into 10 upon 2, because I just removed decimal from the denominator, Newton per meter square. This is the latest 10, and you can pronounce it like Newton per meter square. You can cancel 30 by 2 with 15 times, and 15 times 10 is equal to 150 Newton per meter square. Okay, I hope you are getting all the stuffs. So first question is done. Hopefully you know. Now let us start to solve the second one. Okay, so where is the second? This is second. In this question is like, which will exert more pressure? Okay, in the first category, condition is 100 kg mass on 10 meter square. You know, pressure, to find the pressure you must have thrust, okay, upon area. Area is given 10 meter square, okay, but where is the thrust? Thrust is not given. Here is the mass. Mass is given. Mass is 100 kg. Okay, so how you can convert mass into weight? Okay, and when you get the weight, then weight is a type of force and force is a type of thrust. Okay, so first of all, if an object having 100 kg of mass, then what will be the weight? Okay, then the force exerted by this 100 kg mass, F is equal to mg. This is the formula. This is the formula of force or weight. Suppose that an object of 100 kg mass put on the surface of earth, then what will be the weight of that object? Okay, to find the weight of that object, you can apply this formula. W is equal to mg, where g is equal to acceleration due to gravity, and its value, the value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. This is a type of acceleration. This is the acceleration due to gravity. Its value is 9.8 meter per second square, and roughly many teachers and students take it 10 meter per second square. Yeah, it's approx value. I'm also taking here 10 due to the simple calculation. So when you wanna convert 100 kg into weight, then use this formula. W is equal to mg. So m is 100, and I am taking the value of g is 10 for the simplification. This Newton and 1000 Newton. Okay, so first case, the weight is 1000 Newton, area is given. Now you can find the pressure T upon A, because T means thrust is a type of force, and force is a type of what? Weight. Okay, and now I have a weight 1000 Newton. So pressure in the first case is 1000 Newton, and area is given 10 meter square. Cut 0 by 0, then answer is 100 Newton per meter square. So in first case, the pressure applied by object is 100 Newton per meter square. Now check out the pressure exerted by second case. In second case, mass is given 50 kg. So now find the weight. Weight means the force applied by this. So F is equal to mg. So 50 into 10, I am taking 10 here, Newton. So 500 Newton. Okay. Now find the pressure is equal to T upon A. T means thrust, and T is 500 upon area is what? Area is 4. 500 Newton upon 4 meter square. Okay. If you are not getting my language and any problem, you can let me know WhatsApp inbox. Okay. I hope you are getting what I am speaking. Now just got 500 by 4. So when you divide 500 by 4, it is equal to 125 Newton per meter square. So in first case, the pressure exerted by object is 100 Newton per meter square. In second case, the pressure exerted by object is 125 Newton per meter square. So question is, which will exert more pressure? So final verdict is second. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Now solve next question, and next question is this one is also very important. Okay, let's solve. An iron cube, okay, an iron cube on side 10 centimeter. Okay, an iron cube of side 10 centimeter. It means cube. Everybody know how to draw the cube. I am not perfect. Okay, so like this, just draw two a square, and just join this vertex to this one. This is cube. Okay, this is temporary cube. Okay, its size is 10 centimeter. Okay, an iron cube on side 10 centimeter is kept on horizontal table. It is kept on the table. How to draw table? Okay, just assume this is kept on the table. Okay, if the density of iron cube is 8000 kg per centimeter cube. Okay, here is some point. Density is given. Density, everybody knows that density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. This is also given end of the question. Mass is equal to volume upon density. When you do cross multiplication, then you got mass is equal to density into volume. So this is the formula. Density is given 8000 kg per cm cube. Okay, find the pressure. In this case, you have to also find the pressure. Okay, I will find on the portion of the table where the cube is kept. Okay, you have to find the pressure exerted by this cube. So when you have to find the pressure, you have two things. First is thrust. Thrust means force. It also known as weight upon area. So you can find the area very easily. This is the area, 10 into 10. Okay, so area is very simple. Area is what? 10 into 10 cm square. Okay, but what is the thrust? Okay, so what is the force exerted by this cube? So first of all, you have to find what is given here, and what is the volume. Volume of cube is a side cube, so volume is 10 cube. Mass is not given, and density is given 8000 kg. 8000 kg per cm cube. Okay, per cm cube. Now what will be the mass? So you can find the mass. So mass is equal to this unit is cm cube. So cm cube cancel, and mass is equal to volume into density, and density, volume is 1000. Please don't be bored. Volume is 1000 because 10 cube is 1000, and density is 8000 kg. This is the mass, okay. And when you want to find the force applied by this mass, then you can find force like this. I'm just taking some area here. Force is equal to mg. So mass is 1000 into 8000 kg, and g, value of g is 10. This Newton, okay. Now put this force value in this formula: 1000 into 8000 into 10 Newton, okay. Now cancel 20, okay, 20. Now 800, and write this 30 also, 30. This I think I'm doing something wrong. Why? Because area should be in meter square. Area should be in meter square. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Wait a minute. Something wrong. Okay. So this is the force, correct? 1000 into 8000 into 10, okay. And area is 10 into 10 cm square, but area should be in meter square. That's why wait a minute, this is the numerator, okay. That's why you have to divide this area, 10 into 10 by 10,000, then it becomes in meter square. Okay. Now I'm just trying to make some space here. Okay. Just delete this. Okay. So when you divide this by 10,000, so after calculation, what happened? Okay, this is something complicated. Wait a minute. Something complicated. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. 1000 into 8000 into 10, okay, Newton upon 10 into 10, and this be the part of numerator also, okay. This become the part of numerator, 10,000. So I'm just erasing some part from here, so I have no space to write. I'm erasing something from here, okay, because I really need some space. That's why I'm erasing some part here. Okay, 1 minute. So now I'm also erasing this part. 1 minute. Please just stay connected. Okay. So now 1000 into 8000 into 10 Newton, and this 10,000 also be the part of numerator, okay, upon this 10 into 10, okay, meter square. This is Newton here. Cancel 10 from 10 and this one by this one, then final answer is 8000. Okay, also write 30 and then also write 30 Newton per meter square. This is very giant answer. Okay, I have doubt on the answer, but yeah, this is the answer. I hope you get what I wanna convince you through this video. If you think anything problem, error, you can let me know WhatsApp inbox. You can also inbox your doubt here, and you can also get the separate number for the doubt and challenge questions. Okay, and now I have one request for all the viewers. If you have any doubts, already I have explained about this starting off the video, and I also wanna say that if you wanna find detailed video of a particular chapter, I also made 5 to 6 hour longer video in the DVD format that doesn't require any types of the internet connectivity. You can just purchase this DVD, just insert DVD in DVD player in your computer and watch video lifetime by one time, and you can watch your video lifetime. It's is MP4 format, and this is the cost 49 rupees for one chapter. And let's see, if you are in class 10th standard, there are 16 chapter in class 10th mathematics, so 16 into 50, it is around 800. So yeah, you will get all the video just in 100 rupees. But if you are not a student, not in a class, then you can also support my channel by donating something. This is the donation program, and this is the donation number. You can donate something to help the help this channel, and I really appreciate your work for this. Okay, so it's your choice. If you wanna buy some DVD, you can, I recommend this one. Okay, and you can also send your doubts. I will answer. This service is absolutely free. Thank you. Please share this video, friends, family, and fellow workers. Thank you. Have a nice day.